Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome to Space Mountain PC. I'm Aaron Jackson. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to install an SSD in a PlayStation 5 gaming console. But without further ado, let's get right into the action. Now I got my PlayStation 5 system out here on the table, so let's get ready to open this bad boy up. Alright, so now I got this laying flat on its back. Got my nice, beautiful toolkit with me. Instead of me using the screwdriver that came with the SSD, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Alright, so now we got the PlayStation 5 open, so I'm ready to operate. So this is what we need to unscrew. So I'm gonna need a nice good screwdriver to unlock that compartment, which is definitely the expansion compartment. So let me go ahead and grab my good old arsenal real quick. And where is good old screw number 1? Oh, there we go. I found it. All right. Watch and be amazed, folks. All right. So actually, before I do this, I need to do a trick real quick. What I need to do is I need to first get some electrical discharge out my body. So I'm going to grab onto a computer frame real quick. Pause. To give you a better explanation, sometimes I look at human beings as biological batteries, from the movie The Matrix. What I am doing at this instant is I'm placing my hands on the metal black frame of the PC so I can discharge some of the static electricity within my body so that I won't damage the motherboard with static shock. And no, I'm not talking about the superhero that says I put a shock to your system and got a cool theme song saying gotta be, superhero, gotta be static shock. But anyway, let's get back to the video. All right, there we go. Now I can operate. All right, I'm gonna put my screw right here so I won't lose it. And here we go. All right, now, goodness, be right back. I need to grab me an air compression real quick. A little dusty here, but all right, now, since that's over with, now I'm gonna go ahead and I need to take out this screw and move the screw ring to one of these holes depending on the size of my SSD. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. Let me see, that should be, nope. I thought I was ready. Yeah, I'm so excited, people. I'm moving too fast. There we go, look at that. And it magnetically connected to my screw bit. All right, so I'm gonna put this right here for right now. Now, let's grab my SSD real quick. Now, judging how long my SSD is, I'm gonna have to say, let me see, from what this looks like, yeah, it looks like it's definitely an 80. So let me go ahead, move the ring right here. I need to move it right here. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install my SSD. I just need to firmly put it in there. Come on now. Come on, get in there. Come on. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And nope. Yeah, that was not supposed to happen, but there we go. And rain keeps knocking out. Don't worry, folks. I got this. I got this. And bam. It looks like it's in. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and screw this in here. Okay, so there we go. I found the screw. Okay, so we're going to put this right here. All right, so now we're going to screw this in. Let's see, is it in? It looks like it's in. Okay, so it looks like it's fitting in perfectly. All right, the only thing I need to do now is put the top on it. Okay, so now that's settled. Let's go ahead, put that in there. All right, and this should finish the job. All right, so now I'm gonna put the cover back on it. There we go. That's all set. All right, now let's put it in my room. All right, so this is the moment of truth. So I'm getting ready to turn on my PS5 to see what happens. And looks like it is working. So let's get it done. Whew, doing all this tech work has given me an appetite. I might as well look on this tablet and get me some chimichangas. Woo! Ha ha ha! Well, that's it for the video. Tune in next time when I'm going to set up a Chromebook. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, get notified.